Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the new privacy display feature on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. As you can see, when I change the angle of view, the screen goes black. This is not a privacy screen protector. It is a world-first hardware feature built into the pixels of the S26 Ultra. Today, I will show you how to enable and customize this for total security. To begin, open the control panel by swiping down from the top right of the screen. Search for Privacy Display and tap on it. You will see three main options: Turn on Privacy Display, Conditions for turning on, and Maximum Privacy Protection. Let's go through them one by one. The first option is the manual toggle. If you enable this, it applies by default to your entire phone, no matter what screen you are on. When viewing from an angle, the display will darken so the content cannot be viewed clearly by others. Next, you have options to set specific conditions for when it needs to be activated. Tap on Conditions for turning on. The first option is Apps. Choose the specific apps where you want privacy, like your banking apps, WhatsApp, or Instagram. For example, when I open Instagram, the screen looks black from an angle because I enabled it. But if I open the Play Store, the screen remains normal and clearly visible because it wasn't selected. Next is PIN, pattern and password. If you enable this, the view will be blurred from a cross angle whenever you are entering your credentials in settings, the lock screen or your secure folder. The last condition is notification pop-up. If enabled, only your notification banners will be blurred from an angle, keeping your private messages safe. Coming back to the main screen, the last option is maximum privacy protection. If you enable this, it makes the screen even more difficult to view based on your specific conditions. It boosts the privacy strength for whatever you have selected, ensuring that your private apps or passwords are even more invisible to people sitting next to you. That's it for this video on the Samsung privacy display feature for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Thank you for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe to the channel for more. See you in the next one.